Welcome back to the channel. Now, compared to other reviews and impressions I do, this is probably the biggest yet, at least price-wise. We've got the base model M1 Pro Macbook Pro, a little bit of a tongue twister. And a little background, I did just get the M1 Mac Mini not too long ago, and that was my first Apple product since the iPod in high school, and I'm just getting back into the ecosystem. I was so happy with the Mini. I also wanted a portable option too. With everything opening up, I decided to get something I can bring with me on the go. Let's take a look. All right, here we got the M1 MacBook Pro base model. Apple's making it really easy to get the packaging off. I had a knife ready, but good thing there was a pull tab. There's a decent weight to the box. It is a little bit on the heavier side. A little bit of a highlighted circle here in the middle, right above the logo. Not too sure what that's about, but take it out. See what's in the box. Designed by Apple in California. Here we got all the documentation. Something else in here. Ooh. Black stickers. Got the charging brick here. Very standard. We've got the 67-watt charging brick. Here we got the braided MagSafe charger. As you can tell, I'm a little bit excited. Well, I kind of just ripped this packaging over here. But yeah, here's the USB-C to MagSafe charging. It's a nice cable. It's the kind of cable that claims that they won't get tangled or wound up, but base model M1 MacBook Pro. Oh my. Now it is a bit on the heavier side compared to what I'm used to. It's a little bit thicker, but I'm not complaining at all. Very sturdy build quality. Very robust. Here, let's get it open. Here it is, starting up. Oh, that screen quality is amazing. Looks really good. Can't wait to get to use this. Especially all the added ports. You got SD card, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI. Really useful for when I'm doing presentations. You got 2 more Thunderbolt 4s, your MagSafe charger, and look at that. An audio jack. This is where it's at. The screen is amazing. The depth in color looks awesome. I'm gonna do a type test to see what the keyboard feels like. I always like to use monkey type. So far it feels good. Somewhat similar to my Logitech MX Master. Let's just see how this. Not the fastest typer out there, but the keyboard feels really good. First impressions, this is probably the nicest laptop I've ever had. Coming from a Dell XPS 13, this is a massive upgrade, so far at least. I'm gonna run some benchmarks and see where this computer will lie. All right, let me explain why I got the M1 MacBook Pro base model. This will be my primary editing machine for this channel. It would also replace my Dell XPS 13 laptop, and here in Canada, everything is finally opening up, which means I will be on the go more. And I needed something portable. Check. And from the specs that I've seen, I needed something powerful. Also check. I chose this model because I only edit in 1080p, with some aspiration to eventually get into 4K, and this MacBook Pro can do it all. At least from what the specs are saying. I still have to run my own benchmarks and my own testing. But stay tuned for a comprehensive review on the base model M1 MacBook Pro, where I'll run a few benchmarks and run it through my own workflow. Those that got the new M1 MacBook Pros definitely enjoy it, and those that are still on the fence, I'm more than welcome to answer any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.